Hi YouTube, I'm EYeOnAiman, and welcome back to another one of my fixer-upper videos. In this video, I'm going to show you, well, not really show you, but give you some ideas of how to replace your window screen. You know, take this old beat-up, dirty window screen and replace it with this new and improved, better screen. The main purpose of screens, at least in the US, is so that you can open doors and windows without letting bugs in, because the screen protects against them. There are many different types and sizes of screens. For example, here we have two of them. We have aluminum, and this is like a plastic or fabric material. Now, this aluminum is more coarse, and this fabric is more fine. But if you want to find out more, you can go to your hardware store, and they probably have a huge selection of them. To install a screen on a frame, you need spline, and spline comes in different sizes. This one is larger, but some screens have very small splines, for this, like this one for example. So to install splines, you're going to need to take a roller or a screwdriver, and you're going to want to push the spline into the gap between the edge of the frame, and you can see that there's this gap right here. And if you're using if you're using a aluminum screen, make sure you don't actually go into the aluminum. It's gonna cut it. So simple like that, and it acts like a glue to secure the frame, to secure the screen. So what you need to do after is you gotta trim it by using a knife and just running along the edge and making sure you don't cut the rubber. And there it is. The screen for the window is now replaced. And the process isn't too difficult, and it doesn't take too long. It's pretty simple. So in the future, we'll probably do more videos like this where we try to cover little things around the house that you might want to fix because they're broken or need to be replaced. So in the future, look out for that. So I'm EYeOnAiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, especially those fixer-upper videos that I'm going to be doing in the future. Signing out. Peace.